there are 5 mind-blowing ways you can build emotional resilience and thrive in any situation. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, building emotional resilience is crucial for navigating life's challenges and thriving in any situation. Emotional resilience is the ability to adapt to stressful situations, bounce back from adversity, and maintain a positive outlook despite difficulties. It empowers you to handle stress, manage emotions, and improve overall well-being. Here are 5 essential tips to help you build emotional resilience and thrive in any situation. 1. Cultivate a positive mindset. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for fostering a positive mindset. By focusing on what you are thankful for, you shift your attention away from negative thoughts and experiences. Start a daily gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This practice can help you develop a habit of looking for the good in every situation, no matter how challenging it may be. Reframe negative thoughts. Reframing is a cognitive behavioral technique that involves changing the way you think about a situation. Instead of seeing challenges as insurmountable obstacles, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? Or how can this situation make me stronger? By changing your perspective, you can reduce stress and build emotional resilience. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your mindset. Surround yourself with positive, supportive individuals who uplift and encourage you. Limit your exposure to negative influences, whether they are people, media, or environments. Creating a positive support network can help you stay motivated and resilient in the face of adversity. Number 2, develop healthy coping mechanisms. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are effective techniques for managing stress and building emotional resilience. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to respond to stress more effectively. Meditation, on the other hand, involves focusing your mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve a state of relaxation and clarity. To get started with mindfulness and meditation, set aside a few minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath. As you practice regularly, you will become more adept at managing stress and staying calm in difficult situations. Engage in physical activity. Regular physical activity is essential for both physical and emotional well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers. It also helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, dancing, or yoga, and make it a part of your daily routine. Develop healthy hobbies. Engaging in hobbies and activities you enjoy can be a great way to cope with stress and build emotional resilience. Hobbies provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment, allowing you to take a break from daily stressors and focus on something positive. Whether it's painting, gardening, reading, or playing a musical instrument, find activities that bring you joy and make time for them regularly. 3. Build strong relationships. Foster connection. Strong, supportive relationships are essential for emotional resilience. They provide a sense of belonging, security, and emotional support. Make an effort to build and maintain meaningful connections with family, friends, and colleagues. Reach out to others, share your experiences, and offer support when needed. Building a network of supportive relationships can help you navigate life's challenges more effectively. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is key to building and maintaining strong relationships. Practice active listening, empathy, and assertiveness in your interactions with others. Active listening involves fully focusing on the speaker, understanding their message, and responding thoughtfully. Empathy allows you to understand and share the feelings of others, fostering deeper connections. Assertiveness involves expressing your thoughts, feelings, and needs in a respectful and confident manner. Seek support. Don't be afraid to seek support when you need it. Whether it's talking to a trusted friend, family member, or professional counselor, reaching out for help can provide valuable perspective and guidance. Seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. and can help you build emotional resilience by providing the tools and resources you need to cope with challenges. 4. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than as threats to your self-worth. When faced with a difficult situation, ask yourself, what can I learn from this, and how can I improve? By viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, you can build emotional resilience and become more adaptable. Learn from failure. Failure is an inevitable part of life, but it can also be a valuable learning experience. Instead of dwelling on your mistakes, focus on what you can learn from them. Reflect on what went wrong, what you could have done differently, and how you can apply these lessons in the future. By learning from failure, you can build emotional resilience and become more confident in your ability to overcome challenges. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic and achievable goals can help you build emotional resilience by providing a sense of direction and purpose. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. By setting and achieving realistic goals, you can build confidence in your abilities and stay motivated even in the face of setbacks. 5. Take care of your physical health. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is essential for emotional resilience and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath, to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoid screens and stimulating activities before bed, as they can interfere with your sleep quality. Eat a balanced diet. Nutrition plays a crucial role in emotional resilience. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide the nutrients your body and mind need to function optimally. Avoid excessive consumption of caffeine, sugar, and processed foods, as they can negatively impact your mood and energy levels. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining physical and mental health. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you are physically active or in a hot climate. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on your physical and emotional health. Identify your stressors and develop healthy coping strategies to manage them. This might include practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and a balanced diet can also help you manage stress more effectively. Finally, building emotional resilience is a continuous process that involves developing a positive mindset, healthy coping mechanisms, strong relationships, a growth mindset, and taking care of your physical health. By incorporating these 5 tips into your daily life, you can enhance your ability to cope with stress, overcome challenges, and thrive in any situation. Remember that emotional resilience is not about avoiding difficulties, but rather about facing them with strength, adaptability, and a positive outlook. Prioritize your emotional well-being, and you will be better equipped to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. Before we go, if you find this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building tips and tricks. Also, check out any of these 2 videos on financial independence and wealth creation, and watch one of them to stay on top of your game. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.